In this video we will learn how to generate a multiple days overtime request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see overtime request form. Click on the Apply for Multiple Overtime button to add a new request. Next, you can see multiple filters to select the criteria of employees. After selection of criteria, click on Apply. You can see the details in the grid below. Select multiple overtime days and add remarks for requisition. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.